need this item. Let me just see the tank. Look at all the rest of this. Is that the reserve tank? Being ignored. Rob's really into this right now. You're gonna open that up?
That's the whole point of this?
Yeah. There's a lot of friggin' screws on that thing. I'm a little nervous. So I've been drinking out of this Keurig every day for a really long time. We've just established that it's about, I don't even know, 6 or 7 years old, maybe longer. Really not sure. Definitely older than 5 years. We never clean it either. Like I've never. Have you ever cleaned it with vinegar or anything? Never. This is what is going on. This part is completely clear. There's nothing in that. That's like the reservoir for the cough book. I don't think it's, I mean, K-cup goes into that thing. He's opening the water reservoir.
Give me a towel. This whole thing's gonna pour out.
No real towel? No paper towel. Oh. Holy internal mechanics of a device. What in the world is going on? I can't believe somebody invents this. You know? Alright, well, from the looks from here, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but I don't see any mold or anything inside these tubes. Like, at all. Which is surprising because my kids' sippy cups get mold after like a week, not even. This completely satisfies my soul right now, Rob. Like my whole life, I just keep thinking that my Keurig has mold in it. You know? This like totally debunks it if it doesn't.
It doesn't.
What?
I don't think it does.
Me neither. This is crazy. What are all those people's posts, you think? Like, there is nothing in this. Oh, wait, there's a little bit of floaters. Wait, don't drain it all.
Coffee. What?
Try to open it without draining it so we can see if there's anything in the water.
Okay, but I can't because it's too high. If I take that off, it's gonna spill everywhere. This totally blows my mind. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't believe somebody invents this item. It's so crazy. Okay, I got it. Can't fall down the sink.
You want to do all these?
Okay, leave it
bud.
there.
We'll be right there, bud. Think it's glued unscrewed? I definitely want to see one of these on how it's made now. Think they hand make these?
No.
Not even screw? Really? Amazing. What do you think?
It's pretty clean to me.
Really? Put it in the sink upright. Let me look in.
Upright.
Yeah,
It's
like-
got coffee in it.
Alright, top of the sink. Well, why would it have coffee in it? Is that clean or is it dirty? Oh, dirty. A little bit. I can see your finger mark. But still, though, that's not that bad.
It's a giant waste of time, really.
I know, there's like nothing. A little bit of mold there, but nothing really. Ew, no, what's that? Cut that tube.
I just put the thing away.
What?
Sure, I just put the scissors away.
That was my silent cue to go get the scissors again. Okay, that's nasty. Like, it's not that nasty. It's still gross, though.
It's not even dirty food.
What? What'd you say? Ew. That's gross. That's mold. It's some extreme mold. Ew. But I feel like it coats it so much that it doesn't even get in your water. Like it's just coated. Huh. Well, that's that, people. 6-year-old or more Keurig, and it's not even that bad.